A great way to see what bird life there is in your local area is to attract them using a bird feeder. You need some simple materials. In this case, I'm going to be using a couple of empty toilet rolls, and then I'll coat this with honey and then roll that in some bird seed. These ingredients is readily available from the supermarket, so you can make them anywhere. I like making a couple of them or a few of them that I can hang around the backyard, because that reduces the competition of the flock, so that the smaller non-dominant birds can also get to enjoy some of the free seeds. So I'll run through how I'm gonna make it. So here goes. Okay, so the first step that we need to do is to cover this roll in honey. That'll allow the bird seed to stick to the roll. And I'll just use the spatula to spread it. It'll be nice and sticky. And the honey is edible to the birds, so that's awesome. They get a bit of a sweet treat on top of it. Add a bit more honey. So now we have all sides of the paper roll covered in honey. Now we just need to roll this in the birdseed. Okay, so that's all covered. Now what I have over here, I've got a stick and I've got a piece of string tied to it. So we're gonna, this will add as a perch where the birds can sit on while they're eating the bird seed. So we'll just pass this through the center and then tie a knot on the other end as well. And there we have it. So we can hang this in the tree and the birds can sit on the perch and nibble on the sweet treat birdseed feeder. So I'll make a couple of these and hang them up in the backyard, and that way we're attracting the local bird life and we can see the different kinds of birds there are in your backyard, in your local area, and enjoy them, observe them, watch their behaviors, listen for their sounds, and just that way you get to have a better understanding of what's in your backyard and the ecosystems of your local area.